Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I really wanted to talk about something that has been going on in my mind. And you all know that if something is on my mind, I really want to talk it out so that I get to see what kind of response you guys have. I really think that I'm really kind of weird. That is what a lot of people tell me, that when I think very, very differently. But this is what I feel, and I really want to talk about it. So, seeing so many people out there and my friends, my family, and also random people putting posts and everything that, my father have raised me as a son and not as a daughter. This is like a female talking about it, okay? And I mean, why would you say that? And do you really think that in today's generation, also, where we speak about feminism, where we speak about equality, you still say that my father raised me as a son and not as a daughter? I mean, should I laugh about it or should I be like, I mean, what do I even say? I'm super proud that my father raised me as a daughter and not as a son. I mean, I never understood the concept of a son and a daughter when I was growing up, very, very honestly. Probably I did understand it later in life when I was in my 20s, but not prior to that, because uh, me and my brother were given like the same kind of treatment, if I might say so. I mean, we were sent to the same piano class. We were sent to play cricket together. We did so many activities together. I mean, even waking up in the morning, because my dad was from army. I used to get up in the morning and we used to go for run, and we used to go play cricket early in the morning. It was not that I'm a girl, so you should not be playing cricket or you should not be running around so much, and you should be at home and doing all the uh, household chores. For that matter, my brother was someone who used to make like lemon water for all the guests that were coming in. I never entered the kitchen, so it was never like I was made to feel very different when I was growing up in my family. But when I see all of these stuff on the internet, and I also see people talking about how strong women are, about feminism and about equality, and I'm like, why are we women ashamed of saying that we have been brought up as a daughter, and why you have to put so much of uh, light onto that part that our fathers raised us as a son and not as a daughter? I mean, I'm very confused, and I'm like, I really need to talk about it. So I think I've just given you a brief, so let's get started. Okay, so I did like a little hair touch because I really felt that I was looking a little messier. So I really wanted to put myself together, and I think I look a little better right now. So let's quickly get started. So the point was, why is being a daughter not enough? Why some of us feel like being called a son will make us feel braver, stronger, and more capable? Why? And if that's the case, do you still feel that being called a girl or a woman is going to make you feel weak and incapable? Do you really feel so? I do understand that a lot of us out there, including me, would really be very proud in saying that my parents raised me to be super independent, bold, and fearless, and that's amazing. And every parent should actually raise their child to be strong and confident regardless of the gender. We talk about gender equality, but the start point is that you embrace your gender first and then talk about equality, right? It means that knowing that you are a girl doesn't limit you, right? You don't have to be a son to feel or look stronger. You can still be you. That is a woman, a daughter, a girl, and still be fearless, capable, strong, and unstoppable. Let's break some stereotypes. Society has put so many labels on us. Boys don't cry, girls have to be soft spoken, boys are more logical, and girls are more emotional. Why is it so? Why? But let's break the cycle. Emotions are not weaknesses. Sensitivity is not a flaw, and courage is not reserved for one gender. So instead of saying that my father raised me as a son, Say that my parents raised me to be strong, capable, and independent. It's not about being a son or a daughter, it's about being you. And if you've ever felt that you have to prove yourself by being less of a daughter and more of a son, I want you to know you are enough. Just the way you are. Being a daughter is not weakness. Being a daughter is not a limitation. And if someone tells you this, show them how powerful you are the way you are. Not by comparing yourself to a man, but by owning your strength as a woman. Let's celebrate who we are without shame, without comparison, and without needing to prove anything to anyone. And that's about it. I hope that some of you all resonated with me, and if you have some comments or thoughts in your mind, just put that in the comments. I would really want to talk more about it, but having said that, I really want to get some of your inputs on how you feel and if you agree with me and if you resonate with me. And if you like the video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And just be you and just keep loving yourself. Please do not compare yourself with anyone in this world because you are unique and you really need to love yourself the way you are. Bye bye. Love, love.